Okay, so we want to make two different deposits at two different times. So let's use this equation here. And so we know this value, we want to find this value. But we have two values of this. So one of them is now, another one is going to be 1 year later. Okay, so we know that A value is going to be 2000. P1 plus I was 6.25%, so 0.0625. We're compounding semi-annually, so I'm going to divide this by 2. And it's going to be the number of years. So if it's now, it's going to be 2 years later, 2 full years of compounding. And that has to be multiplied by 2 since we're compounding, the compounding frequency is 2. Again, we have P1 plus the same thing, 0.0625 divided by 2. And this is 1 year from now, so it's only going to be deposited for 1 year. We have to again multiply this by 2 since it's compounded semi-annually. And so now we want to isolate for P. So what we can do is factor P out from both of these terms. So we get P 1 plus 0.0625 over 2 to the power of 4, 2 times 2 here, plus 1 plus 0.0625 over 2 to the power of 2, since it's 1 times 2. So now I'm going to isolate for P, so this is going to be 2000 all over all of this. There we go, and then let's isolate or calculate for P. And so we get $911.39. So this much must be deposited in both of these times in order to get the $2,000.